friends, we are so glad you're with us again today. We're actually in Hamilton, Missouri again. We will be in the area for probably 2 or 3 more months, so we'll get a lot of different videos from Hamilton for you guys. We know you quilters love this place, and so do we. Today we first went into this main store, the Missouri Star Quilt Company shop, and we are right downtown, so you guys are hearing the traffic. But this store, if you want to tell them what's in this store?
So when you go in there, you'll actually see just like little separate areas to represent each of the different shops that are here.
Right, so there's a lot of different shops, and you're thinking to yourself, well, what is in every single store? If I can't go in every store, what's in every store? So this shop shows you what's in each store. So come here first, decide what you want to do, and then just start shopping till you drop. And up here is the man's cave, so we'll probably peek in there for you. So if you're one of those guys that doesn't want to shop but you want to just hang out, we'll show you where you can go for that. So let's go.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith, a step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run standing on your knees? It's a beautiful world out there, just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening, something you don't know. You need a little enlightening, it'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there, just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, it's a beautiful world out there, just don't pass on the dare.
Okay, we're here at Man's Land in Hamilton. So for any of you guys that you're just here because your wife wants to be here, but you don't have a place to go, we're gonna take you on a little tour.
That I still be here when the day is done. So come a little closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you.
Okay, so we showed you samples of all of the different shops, and I just don't know if we're going to be able to go in every single shop, but I'm going to show you guys my favorite. My favorite is Licensed to Sew, because they have my favorite fabrics in here. And not that I'm a quilter or a seamstress, but I just like looking at fabric. And there's some in here that I think you guys might like, so let's go take a look.
I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love. Some people say money gets you everything, but it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. 'Cause what I've got, you couldn't put a price on that. 'Cause I got something real. 'Cause I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love. I got love. Some people cruise, some people try to get by. If you don't have a reason, it's hard to make it all worthwhile. 'Cause what I've got surely makes the world go round. 'Cause I got something real. 'Cause I got love.
You guys see why that one's my favorite? It has everything.